Hey there, welcome back. Next, I have to choose this face, and this face. Let's choose this face, this one. Okay. Now I have some sketch on this plane. Some sketch like that. And this should be convert to reference. This one and this one also conference. And now I have some angular dimension. This angle should be 30. This angle there's some mistake. This angle is also 30 degrees. And this angle should be 10. And I have some constraint. Just cone idea. This 9 and this axis. Now I have some dimension, rapid dimension. This one should be 12.7. This one gonna be 9.4. This one and this one should be 12.7 also. From here to here gonna be 14. And from here to here should be 7. Okay, finish the sketch. And I have some revolve. Be single curve. This curve. specify vector. This one, specify point, just click right here and OK. And body type should be sheet. OK. Yeah, pretty nice. Next I have some sketch. Is also on plane X, Y. Just some sketch like that. And I have some fillet. This one should be 5. This one should be 18. And I have some angle dimension. This one should be 70. Okay. And I have to have some constraint. This plane and this 9. Okay. And I gonna move it a little bit. And finish the sketch. Max extrude with geometry value. This should be sheet. Okay. And now I'm gonna trim it. Go to surface, trim sheet. This way, boundary should be this extrude and preview it. Okay. No. Should be keep. Okay. Now go to trim again. This way gonna be trimmed. Boundary should be the notch trim. And it should be kept. Maybe this card. Yeah, it's this card. Okay, and now I have trimmed this one. Trim this one. With this face. Yeah. Go to trim again. This body. The notch trim. No. First one I'm gonna show it. This one and this one. Okay. And now trim it. Boundary should be the notch, so okay. Well, it should be this card. Yeah. to sew again. It's not necessary. Go to bow the plane. This curve, this and this one. Apply. And this one also should be bowed. Okay. And now I have a sew this face. And confirm it. From this way, maybe I have to check body here and hide this shoe. Oh, come on, hide this one. And this one also gonna be hide. Okay, look pretty good. And now I have some pen just on this curve. It should be percentage 50. Okay. And make some sketches on this way, on this plane, on that plane. Let's finish the sketch. And I would have to go to pattern, geometry. Yeah, this one. Object this body vector should be this direction, and point should be this one. Count and span. Maybe we choose count and pitch. Count and span with count 2 span angle 360 degrees, and confirm it. Yeah, it's complete. Okay, thanks for watching.